Hey, what's up, Enjin coin holder? It's a really good time for Enjin coin holder, and I'm so happy and very excited to see this, my brother, because the profit and the profit, just in only the profit, my brother. So, Enjin coin holder, also you need to take a decision, my brother. Please sell, hold, or buy what you need, my brother. I will tell you in this video, but kindly please subscribe this channel. And what's the price prediction, also, my brother, and what's the opinion, my brother? Everything. This video is gonna be very special for everyone. Enjin coin holder, first of all, we need to see the update, but kindly you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notifications. So hope if you follow this channel, so you will be get a profits every day, every time, my brother. So please remember to must watch this video, my brother. In last 1 hour, you can see here, and last 7 days, last 7 days, last 1 day, last 7 days, all is completely positive changing occur. That's mean to the price will be increasing now. The rank 72, and you can see here the USD price 1.41 USD dollar. The price is very cheap now. I hope in upcoming time, my brother, Enjin coin will also give you a very good profits now. So please don't take, my friends, a bad decision and starting selling. Please, if you starting selling, so the coin will pay down, and definitely they cannot give you a profit. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, please research personally before you take any decision, but this is just my advice, my brother. So this time you can see, my brother, and last 7 days chart is on the screen, and this chart is clearly show, my brothers, to upcoming time they will moving in upward direction. And also, my friend, the condition is very good now. 23.1% they will be profit, and 1.46 USD dollar is the highest, my friend, price. And you can see here this time the current price is 1.41 USD dollar. So that's also very good now, my brother, and definitely the price will be increasing if you are hold. So please don't sell it, hold it, and remember, my brothers, to upcoming time they will give you a profit. So please hold and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching, Enjin coin holder. Hope you enjoy this video. Please, my opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Please share it in the comment box, and to sell, hold, or buy. And definitely, my friends, give me a proof if you, my friend, take any decision. That's a very good, my friend, and very important for everyone now. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.